Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background in InShot. If you're new to InShot and you don't know how to change the background in your videos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the InShot app on your phone. Now choose your preferred option and select the video that you want to add background to. And click here to add it to your timeline. Now, the process is simple. All you have to do is scroll a bit on the menu and you'll see the option of background. Click on it. And from here, you can choose variety of backgrounds for your video. For example, you can also choose the background of your video like this. And furthermore, you can also choose gradient and different kind of patterns for your video as a background. And also, if you click here, you can access your gallery and choose any of your photo as the background, just like this. And click there to save changes. And just like this, we can change background in InShot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.